Ask, they say, and you shall receive. So after we made our Facebook Reels video for Android, one of our viewers, Nicole, asked us to show it on iPhone. And we're not just not going to respond to the comment. We're going to make a whole new video to show you how you can use Facebook Reel on an iPhone. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, where we are committed in helping on our viewers to get the best out of tech. So as Nico asked, we're going to show how do you use Facebook Reels on iPhone Facebook app. As you can see, this is the iPhone Facebook app. If you scroll in, you're not going to see anything in the Reels. So the first thing we're going to make sure is to make sure that our Facebook app is updated. Yes, this is version 1.348, so we're going to go out and check whether there is update. Of course, there is updated to version 2.58. So before you try this, just make sure that you updated your Facebook app so that you probably see the option for Reels. So now that we have made sure that our Facebook app is updated to the version 1.3.58. Something. So we're going to go into the Facebook app on iPhone, and now we're going to try to get the Reels started. Of course, after updating, there might be updates for languages. So inside the Facebook app here on iPhone, you're not going to see any button on top for Reels like it is on Android. You'll be wondering, where do you get to see your Reels? So, well, it's very, very simple. Now, all you need to do is you have to go down and then click on the menu, the three low right side of your screen. You will see the option for Reels. If you don't see this option, then you might need to update your Facebook. And that's it. So now it's inside here now that you get to see all kinds of Reels. You scroll up, you see different Reels. It doesn't come up on your homepage of Facebook yet. So keep that in mind. If you tap on the create button, it will be able to create either from what you have already in your phone, or you can actually create from your camera. So that's very, very, very easy to do. So once you're done creating it, it will now come out of the timeline and you can view all other Facebook Reel. You can also save Facebook Reels by tapping on that menu, three-button menu, and saving the Facebook Reel, especially if you like the Facebook Reel or you just want to view it over again. So tap on your profile, your own reel. You will see your saved reels, and then in this case you will see that we haven't actually created our own reel. So we're going to just quickly create one reel so you see how easy and simple it is to make this happen. So to do that, we're going to just go back to our profile here, create reel, and then we're going to tap in, and I'm going to use the front camera. By double tapping on the screen, it will switch you to the front camera here. So I'm just going to record just 1, 2, or 3 things. That's just a test. You will see the red bar on top just moving while you're recording, because you can set your time into 30, 15, 30, 60 seconds and thereabout. So once you're done, you can do the edits, the normal edits you have in every other reel, Instagram or Facebook or on Android. You can choose option here, who you want to see it, public, your friends, friends of your friends, and all that. You can choose all that option, and when you are done with that, you just click on done, and then you will be ready to share your Facebook reel. So once you're done, just hit on share reels, and it will, you will see the notification, the progress right there. If you still want to see it better, you click on your profile, which that image, then you see it clear your reels going on. So that's about that. Let me hear from you in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe. I'll see you.